Strange facts you never knew.
Is an animal with a penchant for brutal torture of the other species. That is the killer whales. They are an extremely intelligent species. However, they are very passionate about the sport of torturing other species. In particular, a recent case recorded the moment a killer whale used its tail to thrash with a great force into the water near where the stingray was swimming and caused the stingrays to leave the body. However, it did not eat the meat but just swam and watched the stingray carcass sink to the bottom of the ocean. In another video that also showed the moment when the stingray was swimming. Killer whales have launched a seal into the air up to 25 meters to help it learn to fly. Not stopping there, a scientist has filmed a killer whale chase a winged bird within half an hour. Its speed was more than enough to catch up with the penguin, but it still chased up the penguin, was exhausted and could no longer have any energy. When he couldn't swim anymore, he gave up by attaching a penguin's head and then walking away. Besides, they also ate sharks, and they even killed blue whales when they've got bored with other dishes.